We had a fight this morning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's a very lovely day. I'm here in Amsterdam, the city where I live, and yes, I just wanted to talk for a second because my husband and we are out for lunch. The children are with the grandparents because we've been married for 12 and a half years, and yeah, spend time with each other is very important for a healthy marriage. You see my hair like this, and this morning my hair and myself ja.
Heb ik hier alvast de porridge
Oh,
en de cappuccino.
dankjewel. Cheers, wat is dat?
Dit is havermout.
Ja, wat is het? Dat is wel lekker. Okay, so we're out here for lunch, and oh yeah, my hair. We had a fight this morning, and you might think like, Abby, girl, your hair looks great, but I don't think so. And I have to learn that even if my hair doesn't cooperate or it isn't in the style that I wanted or want, there are much worse things in life. So I just gave it up. I just did my hair like two twist out in the front, one loose ponytail on the back. Sometimes I get the question like, oh my goodness, your hair looks so amazing. Does it look like this every day? The answer is no, it doesn't. As a matter of fact, this morning my hair didn't want to cooperate. And what I just do, or I use a turban or a headscarf to just leave my hair alone. Or I do a style with less tension, so a very loose bun, and just play with accessories. So like my glasses, just like take two strings out, just to make something out of it. What we've learned from social media that everything has to be perfect. And today I just wanted to share like this is a simple morning. I didn't feel or felt a 10, but it's okay. It's okay. And learn to be content with yourself. It's not always about me, and that's okay. It doesn't need to. Zeg ik dat goed? It doesn't need to?
It doesn't need to be about me.
It doesn't need to be like we're here for a chill breakfast, lunch without the kids. So me worrying about my hair, my makeup wouldn't help this situation, you know? So choose your battles, fight the right one, trust Jesus, praise Him every morning, and then just go with the flow. So a quick tip for me, that if your hair doesn't cooperate, you can do this, like moisturize the front of your hair. I did like two loose twist out, pull it to the back, make a loose ponytail, take out the sides so it still frames your face. You can put on some lipstick or something or glasses, and you're good to go. So you don't need to like do a whole very long routine. Just do the front because everybody sees the front first. Do that first. So I hope this helps. It helped me today. I see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.